Welcome to MotorMav. Today we will talk about Dodge Charger TCM problems. In this video we have pointed out all those reasons and their solution. Let's begin. Problem number 1. Shuddering during gear shifting. It happens at higher mileages, on average, about 97,000, gear shifting of the car starts shuddering or hesitating. To solve this issue, you need to update the software. Problem number 2. Hard downshift from 4th to 3rd. This downshifting quality problem tends to present about the 100,000 miles mark, means it happens due to mechanical failures. In this case, you need a proper and up-to-date software update. Problem number 3. Rough shifts and slipping of the transmission. Wiring issues between the ECU and TCM or rust in the 10-pin solenoid harness connector cause problems. To solve this problem, you must change the solenoid harness connector and rewire the wires. Problem number 4. Car jumps or kicks unexpectedly. It happens for a faulty transmission control module. You need to do a 2013 Dodge Charger TCM reset in this case. Problem number 5. Rough 1 to 2 shifts. It occurs when the car's system's transmission fluid is improper. To solve this problem, you have to change the transmission fluid. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.